Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my sunny babes. Thank you so much for being here. I am doing a decluttering video. I wanted to show you guys how I go through my clothes and, you know, Marie Kondo them. I'm just getting rid of clothes because I don't need them. They're not necessary to my life. I have a bunch of clothes that just sit in my room, and that's not good. So I'm decluttering. I'm doing better. It's 2020. She says she's about to do a clothing haul for you guys. It's fine, it's for my channel. Also, I really needed business casual clothes, so I bought some. But this stuff is stuff that I either haven't worn at all, or have worn maybe once, or let's see, just I've worn it but haven't worn it in like a year. So that's so unnecessary, so I decided, okay, let's get rid of it. So just keep watching to see what I declutter, how I declutter. There's a lot of things here. Any clothes that I declutter, I'm either going to 1, donate, or 2, sell on a marketplace like Poshmark or Facebook Marketplace, which I like Poshmark a little bit better just because I feel like it's more hands-on and you can ship the items instead of having to go see people. If you're an introvert and understood what I meant by what I just said, you get me, and I'm very thankful for that. So yeah, let me get the other basket and we'll start decluttering. We got keep and throw away. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so we are back and I'm sitting on the floor because I'm completely done decluttering. I have a full box. I have a full, what is this called? Hamper. I have a full hamper full of clothes I'm going to keep that are either for my benefit because they're business casual, or also they are something that I wear on a regular, you know, like you have to keep your staple things. So very proud that this is this tall. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.